Welcome to the lavish world of Indian weddings. Indian weddings are all about details. The brides work so hard on every detail of their dress, their jewelry, their hair, and the choice of makeup. If she has spent weeks and months on all minute details, then it's my job to capture it all in the greatest detail. In the makeup room, I shoot a lot with the 24-70, which helps me unlock incredible details and close-ups. I am sure she would love to remember this day very vividly, and I would love to make this memory as colorful as possible.